In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your Steam profile artwork and background step by step. This is a great way to make your Steam profile look more personal, more polished, and more unique so it stands out when friends or other players visit your page. We'll go over how to change your profile background, how to upload artwork, and how to save everything correctly so your profile looks exactly the way you want it. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Steam Community in your browser and log into your account. You can do this from the official Steam website and then head into the community area where your profile settings are available. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the page and click on your username. This will open a menu with a few profile-related options. From there, click View My Profile. This takes you directly to your public Steam profile page where you can start customizing your look. On your profile page, look to the right side and click the blue Edit Profile button. This is where Steam keeps all of the profile customization options, including your name, avatar, profile background, featured showcases, and more. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the background and artwork sections, so once you're in the profile editor, we'll start with the background first. On the left-hand menu, click Profile Background. Steam will show you the backgrounds that are available to you. These are usually backgrounds you've unlocked from games, the Steam Points shop, or other profile items you've obtained. Browse through the list and select the background you want to use. Take a moment to choose one that matches the style you want for your profile, whether that's something dark and minimal, colorful and animated, or game-themed. After choosing your background, scroll down until you find the blue Save button. Click Save to apply the changes to your profile. This step is important because Steam won't update your profile background until you save it. Once it's saved, you can go back and check your profile to make sure the background looks right with your avatar and profile layout. If it doesn't feel perfect, you can always go back and try another one. Now, let's move on to uploading artwork. To do that, return to your Steam profile page. On the left side of your profile, click Artwork. This section is where you can showcase custom images, fan art, screenshots, or graphics you want to display on your profile. If you don't see anything there yet, that's completely normal. We're going to add your first piece of artwork now. Click the blue Upload Artwork button. Steam will ask what type of artwork you want to upload. Choose Not Game Specific. This option is the one you want when your image is not directly tied to a specific game. It's the simplest choice for general profile artwork, banners, or custom images that you want to feature on your Steam profile. Next, click Choose File and upload the image from your computer. Make sure the image is the one you want to showcase, because this will be the main visual people see when they visit your artwork section. After selecting the file, you'll need to fill in the title and description fields. Give your artwork a clear title so it looks organized, and add a short description if you want to explain what it is or give it a bit more personality. Before you continue, make sure to tick the agreement checkbox. This confirms that you understand Steam's upload rules and content requirements. Once that's done, click the green Save and Continue button. Steam will process the upload, and after that, your artwork should appear on your profile. At this point, you can go back and review everything, check your background, check your artwork section, and see how it all looks together. A good background can make your profile feel clean and professional, while artwork helps you express your style and make your profile more interesting. If you want, you can keep experimenting with different visuals until you find the perfect setup. And that's it. You've now learned how to customize your Steam profile artwork and backgrounds using Steam's profile settings. It's a simple process, but it can make a huge difference in how your profile looks. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what other Steam tips you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.